Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing warrants in the context of business operation here in Thailand. And this is something that folks aren't really aware of, but failure to maintain corporate compliance, especially tax compliance, audited financial statement filing, etc., can lead to some really serious ramifications for directors of companies as well as possibly even others who are affiliated with a company here in Thailand for failure to comply with relevant law. So what we're talking about here is oftentimes we see folks that, especially in a Western context, they stop doing business in Thailand and they just sort of abandon their corporate structure. And for example, in jurisdictions in the United States, if you have an LLC, for example, and you just decide to stop doing business, and you just sort of abandon that company, as far as it goes with respect to just the company and just the corporate entity, now there may be tax issues that are separate and apart from that, but simply the corporate entity, just sort of letting it languish, there's really not going to probably be there's probably not going to be a situation where there's a lot of major detrimental impact to failing to maintain that corporate structure. In Thailand, that's not necessarily the case. Thailand uses a much more formalized or formality-based corporate structural system. They're sort of more akin to a C corporation or a C corp back in the United States, also called an INC, an incorporated entity, standard incorporated entity. They're not really like an LLC, a limited liability company. So for this reason, failing to comply and failing to maintain relevant tax filings, relevant corporate documentation, audited financial statements can result in summonses, basically warrants, if you will, that can result in criminal liability. So fines, for example, a lot of fines can be assessed, and down the line it could have even worse ramifications. So those who are looking to wind down a company or those who are looking to discontinue doing business in Thailand are well advised to probably contact a legal professional in order to ascertain all the formalities that need to be met in order to wind down a company or extricate oneself from a company so as to mitigate or eliminate any possible legal liability associated with that entity into the future.